See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Blord versus VDM still dey go on. So yesterday, very dark man came out publicly and talk say Igbos wey dey support Blord are stupid and they are also tribal bigots. Remember, there is nothing like generality in that statement yesterday by VDM. He says some Igbos are stupid and they are also tribal bigots. The reason why he said that is because some Igbos supported Blord. Are you getting me? That is the reason why he classified them as stupid Igbos and tribal bigots. Do you understand now? But let me ask this question. If Blord come out tomorrow now, come talk say some Bini people are stupid and they are tribal bigots because they are supporting VDM, how people go feel? Are you getting me? So that is a question for another day. And most of the Igbo people are angry because of that statement. The truth of the matter in this issue is that very dark man is trying to make sure that he brings tribalism into this matter. Because now first they start up, say Igbo people started fighting him because of this, because of that. While some Igbo people, they support you. So how can you say that Igbos are fighting you? Yesterday you came out and said that some Igbos are tribal bigots, they are stupid because they are supporting Blord. Now the only thing I want to tell you now is say, if you're a Igbo person and you are angry because of this statement, you don't need to be angry. Of course, some Igbo people are stupid. Yes, of course, some Igbo people are tribal bigots. If you go to Bini, where VDM came from, some Bini people are very stupid. Some Bini people are very foolish. Some Bini people don't get sense. Some Bini people are tribal bigots. Now so it be. So why would you be angry? If you go to Yoruba, some Yoruba people are very, 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 very stupid. Most of them are absolutely stupid. And some of them are also tribal bigots. If you go to Hausa or Fulani people or Kanuri people or Danda people or Ibibio people, just mention Ichekiri people, you will see a lot of stupid and tribal bigots there. So it is vice versa. Why would you be angry that very dark man say some Igbos are very stupid? Are you among those stupid Igbo people? So why will you be angry? It is a vice versa. Do you understand now? So if you are not among those stupid Igbo people, you shouldn't be angry. Somebody like me, I am not stupid. I am an Igbo man and I'm a proud Igbo man, and I am free to associate with anybody that I want to get associated to without any interference. That is my fundamental human right. Whether that person is an Igbo person, it is my right to support him. Are you getting me? Whether that person is a Yoruba person, it is my fundamental human right to support him. If that is what would make me stupid, my brothers and sisters, let it be. But clear conscience fears no accusations. You get the point now? Now, very dark man, it is very childish for you to come out and start to speak out of emotion. You don't need to even bring tribalism in this issue. Because most of us, when they criticize you, if you do the wrong one, we they support you. But that doesn't mean that if you do something where we say it don't make sense, we're not going to talk about. And most of your followers, they insult us. So will I now on camera and start saying that Ratels are stupid people? They are tribal bigots because they are all Bini people. That is the reason why they are supporting very dark man. And whereas Blord has not even bring any tribalism in this issue. I haven't seen him come out for the first time and talk say people where they support very dark man are stupid, or saying that Ratels are stupid people, or saying that Bini people, some of them are stupid because they are supporting very dark man. Why would you come out and start talking about tribalism? It means that you are also part of the problem because you are the one that is bringing this tribal card right now to cry. You get the point now? Even if something like that is happening, you shouldn't just come out, and start saying those things. It doesn't make sense to me. It is childish. You are on social media for crying out loud. Anything can come out. People can push any narrative. That doesn't qualify you. Now you still wear Igbo attire. They do video, they dance to Igbo music. That is enough. So why would you come out and start saying some Igbo people are stupid because they are supporting Blord. It doesn't make sense to me. So a very dark man, if he tells us some Igbos where they support Blord are stupid, what about some Yoruba people, some Ishekiri people, some of your Benin people where they support Blord? What are they? Do you understand now? All the Igbo people no go support you for this fight. Whether you like it or not, you must accept the fact. Do you understand now? Not everybody will support you in this fight against Blord. Not every Benin people will support you. Some Benin people they support Blord. Some Yoruba people they support them. So instead of you to make such statements, say some Igbo people because na Igbo man. So any Igbo person where they support them now is stupid. It is wrong for you to say that. But it is your fundamental human right to. But this tribal card now you start them. Because not the only Igbo people that support Blord. So now waiting tribalism where they for your head they tell you be that. You see this tribalism where they talk about. It there for our mind. Because we know say we are not one. So no matter how you are trying to pretend, very dark man, no matter how you try to pretend, each and every one of us has that tribalistic mentality. Are you getting me? So we are all struggling to make it work, but you know they work. The only way to stop this tribalism is to criminalize it. If we classify anybody as an Igbo man or Yoruba man or Benin man or this thing, you will go to jail. That is the only thing that will change this. That is the reason why you must guide your heart at all times. Are you getting me? Everything is not all about emotional. There are some things that cannot be said on social media. You even went ahead and talk say you have influence in the North, that you can instigate the North to start fighting Igbo people if you want to do so. My brother, the truth of the matter is that you are not from the North. No matter how influential, no matter how you can speak Hausa, are you getting me? So why would you even make such statements? That is to show you that, very dark man, you are part of the problem. Do you understand now? Because you wouldn't have said such. You went on and said that you are God over so people. So very dark man, why would you exalt yourself to equal God? That is wrong. And this is the reason why God destroyed the life of Nebuchadnezzar. Do you understand now? Please stop exalting yourself by saying that you have made yourself God over these people. Haba, why would you use such word? God? God? That is also wrong, my brother. I know say you are angry, but my brother, what makes a man and what breaks a man is your decision when you are angry and your decision when you are happy. So be careful about that. Remember, it is out of joy that a daughter of a king demanded for the heads of John the Baptist on his birthday celebration. And the father was very happy. Overjoy came over the father and he told his daughter, say anything that you want on this celebration that it shall be given to you. I will provide it. And the little girl demanded for the head of John the Baptist. Do you understand now? So please, my brother, very dark man, I don't have anything against you. Neither do I have anything against the Ratels. Are you getting me? I haven't insulted the Ratel before and said that they are stupid people there. I will never say that. You are free to insult me in the comment section. You are free to report my page. I am not saying something that you like today does not mean that I won't say something that you won't like tomorrow. If you don't like this kind of content, relax. I go fit post the one where you go like tomorrow. In fact, I have other pages. I have up to 4 pages fully monetized. I am putting content in these 4 pages. So if you don't like what I'm saying here in this one, please wait for the next video. I might even say what you will like. There is no problem. Or if you don't like this content that I'm doing here, you can follow other pages. But if you want to keep wasting your time reporting my page because you are VDM supporter, you are mistaken. Because no amount of reports will bring this page down. Are you getting me? Do you understand now? So just know this and know peace. And remember, somebody criticize your very dark man does not mean that that person hates him. No. Did I say that very dark man steal from me? The answer is no. The only problem is that you want me to support him in everything he does, be it right or wrong, and I'm not in that category. Have you seen me snap picture or do any video with any influencer or any content creator before? No, I am not a friend to anybody. If very dark man do something wey be say they right, I go talk am. That is truth of the matter. Whether you like it or not, it is my own this thing. If you like, leave the video. The only thing wey you supposed to do na to leave the video. If you no like am, leave it. But if na to comment and insult me, that one not concern me. You know they even they touch me, and I won't use because of that. I'm on camera and begin to insult people. No. So you are free to insult me, and tomorrow if I say something where you like about him, if you do something good, I beg you go fit comment and praise me too for saying this about him. That is all.